NASA's turn of events was unexpected. The James Webb Space Telescope produced a discovery that has astronomers around the world in awe. A few weeks ago, the telescope discovered the earliest known galaxy in the universe, but now it has discovered something even larger. A supermassive black hole moving away from its galaxy at an incredible speed of 4 million mph. This latest discovery has very important implications and has produced a lot of speculation among scientists and space enthusiasts about what it means for our understanding of the cosmos. The James Webb Space Telescope was sent on a mission to investigate the first stars and galaxies in the universe and has captured stunning images of the death of stars and galaxies from a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. We invite you to join us to explore the latest discoveries from this telescope. Remember to like and subscribe for more content like this one. The latest discovery is challenging the scientific community's current understanding of black holes. Black holes are generally thought of as huge entities that pull everything, including light, toward them, but the recently observed black hole appears to be having the opposite effect. Instead of absorbing light, it is creating new young stars along a long trail. This new trail of newborn stars has been observed in the wake of the black hole, which stretches an incredible 200,000 light-years away. Scientists are puzzled by the unusual behavior of this black hole compared to others, but a team led by geoastronomy professor Banda recently reported their findings in the astrophysical journal Letters. NASA's Hubble Space Telescope also confirmed these observations, suggesting that the black hole awakens new stars when it comes into contact with gas and cools it. We are seeing the wake behind the black hole. But that's not all. NASA has made an exciting announcement about the galactic merger ARP2-20, which was captured by the James Webb Space Telescope. This impressive galactic merger can be seen shining among the constellations of the night sky's galaxies. When two spiral galaxies merge, the phenomenon known as ARP2-20 shines brightest in the infrared, making it perfect for observation by the James Webb Space Telescope. It is classified as an ultra-luminous infrared galaxy with a luminosity of 1 trillion suns, compared to our own galaxy, the Milky Way, which has a much lower luminosity of about 10 billion suns. ARP2-20 is located in the constellation of Serpens, about 250 million light-years away. It is considered the brightest of the 3 closest galactic collisions to Earth, and it is listed as the 220th object in the Atlas of Peculiar Galaxies. About 700 million years ago, 2 spiral galaxies smashed into each other, causing a huge explosion of star formation. This created a dense region about 5,000 light-years across that contains about 200 large star clusters. Surprisingly, this small area contains as much gas as the entire Milky Way. Previous observations with radio telescopes discovered about 100 supernova remnants in less than 500 light-years across. Then, the Hubble Space Telescope revealed that the parental galaxies are located 1/200 light-years apart and that each core contains a rotating ring of star formation that emits dazzling infrared light. The latest views from the James Webb Space Telescope show an impressive galactic merger of the 2 galaxies. This image also shows faint tidal tails extending from the outskirts of the merger, indicating the gravitational pull between the 2 galaxies. Finally, the red, ochre, and orange streams and filaments represent scattered organic materials in ARP2-20. Another stunning discovery stumped scientists when researchers found primordial galaxies at the edge of the universe. They were skeptical about their authenticity. Some thought they might be nearby galaxies in disguise. In order to share the information with other scientists around the world, hoping for the best, the James Webb Space Telescope confirmed that these ancient galaxies are real. Thanks to this revolutionary telescope, we can now observe the oldest galaxies ever seen. Astronomers believe that the light from these galaxies has traveled more than 13.5 billion years to reach Earth, giving us a glimpse into the distant past of the universe. These galaxies were discovered when the universe was young, which sheds light on how quickly the first generations of galaxies emerged. These were confirmed by the spectral data. The galaxies are at the edge of our view, some further away than Hubble was able to see. The discovery is crucial because it validates one of the most important tasks of the James Webb Space Telescope, which is to study the early universe through light that has been traveling for more than 13.5 billion years. The ability to measure extreme redshifts is what sets the James Webb Space Telescope apart, allowing astronomers to peer into the infrared range and observe the first galaxies in the universe. The excitement in the air is palpable, as this discovery marks an important milestone in the exploration of the universe and in understanding its evolution. The discovery has had a major impact on our understanding of the universe and has prompted NASA to develop even more powerful telescopes than the James Webb Space Telescope to confirm whether our understanding of the Big Bang is correct. Data obtained from Webb's F spectrometer and near-infrared camera have revealed that 4 of the 6 primordial galaxies have extreme redshifts, suggesting that Webb is observing them as if they existed 300 to 500 million years after the Big Bang. Without heavy elements such as carbon, this is surprising since the universe is estimated to be 13.8 billion years old. And the existence of these galaxies suggests that we need to revise our understanding of the early universe. This has generated concern in the scientific community as these new discoveries contest the existing cosmological inflation model and the Big Bang theory, which has some loopholes, such as going against the law of thermodynamics and not having a clear explanation of what caused the Big Bang. In addition, the James Webb Space Telescope is discovering galaxies almost as old as the Big Bang itself, which questions everything that we thought we knew about the origin of the universe. According to theoretical physicist Michio Kaku, the discovery of ancient galaxies by the James Webb Space Telescope has cast doubt on everything we knew about the beginning of the universe. Previously, these galaxies were thought to be less developed than the Milky Way, but the new findings suggest that we may be missing crucial information. The fact that the telescope has identified 6 galaxies that existed 500 million years after the Big Bang, and as many as 10 times larger than the Milky Way, raises the question of whether our current theories about the creation of the universe are correct. Kaku explained that it takes billions of years to create a galaxy like the Milky Way, so it is strange to find such large, young, primordial galaxies. This discovery may require us to revise and rewrite the textbooks about the beginning of the universe. Findings from the James Webb Space Telescope challenge what we thought we knew about the Big Bang, leaving scientists at a crossroads. NASA recently tweeted about a galaxy cluster which dates back only 650 million years after the Big Bang, adding another intriguing piece to the puzzle. Astronomers have analyzed the data and concluded that this fledgling cluster is expected to grow in size and become something similar to the colossal Coma A11856 cluster. The place where all this is taking place is unique and special, as it is in an area of accelerating galactic evolution. Thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, researchers can now measure the velocities of these 7 galaxies, which gives them the confidence to confirm that they are bound together in a protocluster. To put this in perspective, NASA scientists compared these distant galaxies to small drops of water in different rivers that will eventually join together to form a large, powerful river. Clearly, what we formerly believed about the Big Bang is not adding up as expected. However, more data from the Webb telescope may reveal evidence that could confirm or disprove the theory. Who knows? Maybe the Big Bang did happen, but what caused it is a different story. In any case, we will have to wait for more discoveries, but the answer may be closer than we think. What do you think about these discoveries? Share your thoughts in the comments section, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.